Hello, Latch learners, collective members, and people out there in the DIY tiny house world. We have an update for you on the Nabi tiny house. This is an important moment because we have all the systems that have to function together at the same time in order to test something like the water heater. Now, what's going on here is we have a valve that is split in two. It's a two-way valve, and I have opened the gas valve on this side right here, and I provided power to the whole system, and we have water pressure coming in here from this city inlet. We powered it up, and voila, it works. Because we weren't sure, we got this on Amazon as like a used send back, and when I got it, the inside module was clanking around on the inside, and all I did was reattach the screws that I found inside the box and plugged everything back in, and lo and behold, it works. Now, we don't have a manual. It's a Rinnai outdoor model, and we just have to get a manual for adjusting the temperature and the pressure and how we want to use it. So I wanted to show you how the system is running. First thing is the power. When I powered it up, I realized that this is my power for turning on, getting power for the ignition of the gas burners inside the water heater. And this little box was stripped. This is called a bell cover, and it's supposed to like grab the switch on the inside. Here's the switch manually, you can see, and it wasn't working, so I have to replace that. So it's all little stuff. I just turned on the exhaust fan, which is the fan to just clean the air, you know, make sure that you have good fresh flow happening in the house. And as I turned it on, it burned up. So the brushes probably got old. Who knows what happened. It's not difficult wiring. It's black to black and white to white, so it's like super easy. It should work. And my system is the I don't know how you say it. The voltage is all correctly wired. So this is all wired and ready to go. So it tells me a couple things. I have enough gas flow with this regulator. I have enough voltage for electricity, and I have enough water pressure to create, which is something I want to show you now, to create the outdoor shower. So here we go. Here is an example of the outdoor shower. Woo! Voila, it's working. Now we have a way to have hot water. Oh, lovely. And we have an outdoor shower. Somebody can have a full-blown shower. And then coming inside the Nabi house, we have water from the faucet, cold water, and this has been reversed. Should be the other way around, but this is hot water, and it's working great. I'm really happy. We have power and we have lights. So that's the fan I was speaking of, and we must replace that little motor. It shouldn't be very much money at all. And we're working on the finishing touches, the beautifying of the house. So that's it. That's my update for now, folks. Thank you for taking an interest in the Nabi house, and we'll talk to you soon.